Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream glue, a fantastic and versatile adhesive for all your crafting needs. We will go through a full guide, from gathering your basic kitchen ingredients to perfecting the texture and storing your finished product. This homemade glue is not only cost-effective, but also a fun project, perfect for paper crafts, school projects, or even minor repairs around the house. Let's get started with the essential materials you will need. To begin, you will need to mix your base ingredients. Take 1 part flour and 1 part water, combining them in a bowl. Stir these together continuously until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste with no lumps. For an extra boost in stickiness and as a natural preservative, incorporate 1 tablespoon of sugar into your mixture. If you desire an even silkier texture, a small amount of cornstarch can be added at this stage. Now let's achieve that perfect creamy texture. Gently cook your mixture over low heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure even thickening. Continue this process until the glue reaches your desired consistency, similar to a thick paste or whipped cream. If it becomes too thick, add a tiny bit more water. If too thin, a little more flour will help. Once it looks just right, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before using. Proper storage is key to making your homemade cream glue last. Transfer your cooled glue into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. For optimal performance, it is best to use your fresh batch within a few days. After each crafting session, remember to clean all your tools immediately with warm water to prevent the glue from drying and hardening on them. Enjoy your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.